Hi everybody and welcome back to LELB Society. I'm Dr. Hariri, the founder of LELB Society, and in this video I'm going to give a presentation on one of the let's say cool features of recent updates of WordPress. So adding WhatsApp button to website WordPress without plugin. This is the title of my presentation here, or lecture. And actually, if you want to read the script of this lecture, just go to the description area. I'm going to share the link to this article there in the description area. So in this tutorial, I'm going to let you know how to just install a beautiful WordPress button, as you can see here, on your WordPress website, WhatsApp button, WhatsApp button on your WordPress website without any plugin and without actually knowing so much coding or something. It's very easy. So as it is typical of our tutorials or my presentations, actually I'm going to read some part of this article. And again, actually, if you're interested to read this article on your own, you can just go to the description area. Okay. So if you like to add WhatsApp button to your WordPress website, actually, you can do it very easily, and surprisingly get all the advantages actually from this cool feature. WhatsApp button. But first, you need to know why you need to add WhatsApp button to your WordPress website. First of all, let's check why WhatsApp could help you a lot to interact with your visitors who could become your customers. According to solid statistics, WhatsApp is the most popular messaging app. So with approximately 2.5 billion users, and it has a lot of downloads. So everybody is familiar with WhatsApp and actually is perhaps using WhatsApp these days. So chat with your visitors asynchronously and convert them to loyal customers. As a result, by adding WhatsApp chat to your website, you can help and encourage your visitors to interact with you and become your potential customers. Bear in mind that by installing and using WhatsApp chat on your WordPress website, you'll chiefly be using asynchronous communication to interact with your visitors. This is because you can basically respond to your customers' chats at your convenience and possibly chat with them with a delay. So you don't need to be on the alert all the time. Actually, that is not good for your mind. Actually, it can arouse your sympathetic nervous system. So and you will become really conditioned to notifications, which is not good for you. From a mental health point of view. Never miss a message from WhatsApp. So because WhatsApp chat, when used as a live chat button, is mainly based on asynchronous communication, you would never miss a message or chat arising from server issues. It means that the servers at whatsapp.com actually are very robust, and you don't need to worry about that if there is a kind of latency or something. So it is always 100% actually running perfectly. After all, this is WhatsApp we are talking about. Furthermore, there are some cool features available to WhatsApp business users that we're going to discuss at the end of this article. So you can shift from WhatsApp Messenger to WhatsApp business and actually access all the cool features available in this free application. Asynchronous communication with your visitors with WhatsApp chat installed on your WordPress website. WordPress has recently, remember, it was not present in the previous updates of WordPress, has recently included the WhatsApp icon to its social icons block or widget. To our astonishment, WhatsApp was not included in the WordPress list of supported icons before. Now you don't need to install any WordPress plugin to add WhatsApp chat to your website, because previously you to some extent actually needed to install a particular WordPress plugin to add WhatsApp chat to your WordPress site, but these days no more. And I'm going to show it to you how. It's very simple, by the way. A couple of stages you need to go through. As you might know, installing too many WordPress plugins is never a good idea because there might be conflict between them. So, and a great number of plugins can have a negative impact on your website performance. Fortunately, on WordPress, you can enhance the functionality of your website without installing so many plugins if you know what is happening under the hood. And as I said, you don't need to be a tech savvy and have so much information about software actually to do this particular thing. I mean, adding WhatsApp button is very easy. Now the big question, how to add WhatsApp button to your WordPress website. How to communicate with your visitors and encourage them to become your customers with WhatsApp chat. But now you just need to go through the steps below to add WhatsApp button to website WordPress without plugin. And if you just go through these steps one by one, you will be able to add the most perfect WhatsApp icon to one let's say particular fixed position to your website. So first, log into your WordPress website as the admin and go to your dashboard area. Navigate to Appearance and then select Widgets. Number 3, choose a widget location that is visible in all pages and posts, because actually you're going to make it appear in all pages. For this reason, we have chosen footer bar as the widget location on our WordPress theme, which is GeneratePress. For years, we have been using GeneratePress after testing many other WordPress themes, and we are so actually satisfied with this perfect and very fast WordPress theme. 4. In the selected widget location, click on the plus icon to add a new block. So we are going to add in particular a new block. And in the search box on top of the available widgets, search for and select social icons. I couldn't provide you with images because that would be too many images. So it's, I mean, the text, although it is plain and simple text, it is, I think, self-evident. So you need to add a new block in a particular widget location, particularly, for example, here for this particular purpose, a footer bar. Click on the plus icon to add your favorite icons, which is WhatsApp for this particular purpose. So remember, you just need to add one icon, and that is WhatsApp, and ignore the others. For the second time, you will see a search box where you need to type and locate WhatsApp. So in the search box, because there are so many other, let's say, icons, you just need to pinpoint and locate WhatsApp. Number 8, do not add any other button because, like, for example, Telegram or YouTube or something, because this block or widget will be displayed in a fixed position on all of the pages of your website as a live chat system. And if you just include so many icons, that would block the view of your visitors, and perhaps actually you will be prone to Google penalty because these are too many icons, would be intrusive. Okay, 9. Click on the WhatsApp icon and enter the following address in the space provided. As you can see here, the address is very clear, and the format must be very, very accurate. Otherwise, the link will be broken. Okay. As I said, I'm going to provide you with the link to this article, so don't worry about that. Actually, you can just study this article, and because you need to customize this button with some CSS code. 10. The value after equal in the enter address box should look like this. You know, after the equal, as you can see here. Where is the equal? Yeah, here it is, the equal, and it must be followed by the country code. Here at this time we are living in Iran, so the country code is 98, and then there should not be any dash or space or anything, you know. And here's my telephone number associated with my WhatsApp account. So in this value, 98 is the country code of Iran, as we currently live in Iran. And remember, you must not use any spaces or hyphens actually in your mobile phone number. So 11. Then you need to customize your WhatsApp button to make it display nicely on all pages. To do that, you should first select the WhatsApp button on the widgets page, and from the right side pane from which you go through settings that shows the settings of this widget, click on advanced options. Okay, and after that, to target your WhatsApp button with CSS, in the additional CSS classes field, name your WhatsApp button as, for example, WhatsApp. So you need to choose a particular name for that as the CSS name or CSS class. Okay, because we're going to customize it and go through CSS, which stands for custom style sheet. So in the next stage, go to appearance and select customize to enter the customizer area, where you can add some CSS codes. Then at the very bottom of customizer, select additional CSS. Finally, add the following CSS code to your additional CSS area. You must be familiar with this part of your let's say WordPress. I mean the background part of WordPress. Backend, let's say. Yes, sorry, backend. So customize your WhatsApp button with CSS. And if you cannot see this clearly, don't worry about that, because you will have access there. You will have access to this page, and you can just navigate to the middle or center of this page to just get this code. The above CSS code will make your WhatsApp chat button appear in a fixed position on each page like any other standard live chat icon. I have temporarily disabled the WhatsApp icon on my website, actually, because that would be too intrusive and would block your view. So another question is that why don't we recommend live chats? So as you can see, using live chat on your WordPress website to increase your conversion rate and build trust in your visitors. So live chats can or cannot help grow your online business. This actually works like a double-edged sword. If you run a large business, you probably need to use live chat on your website to build a sense of trust and social presence. Okay, and if you don't know what social presence is, I'm going to share this link with you in the description area and in your visitors. However, if you're running a small or startup business, using WhatsApp chat would seem to be a better choice to make, and I'm going to elaborate on that. I mean, why WhatsApp is more preferable compared to live chats, realizing a sense of social presence and interactivity among your visitors on WhatsApp. The disadvantages of using live chats for small businesses. The following are some of the disadvantages of using live chat systems on your WordPress website if and only if you are running a small business. So do not generalize it to all cases. Why you should not necessarily install live chats on your WordPress website for your small business. As you can see, there are 4 reasons I have covered. 1. You will probably need to download and install more WordPress plugins for your on your website, which has its own setbacks and problems. You need to do your best to minimize the number of installed WordPress plugins. 2. Live chats tremendously increase external or third-party JavaScript load on your website, thus worsening your website performance to a very noticeable degree. And this is one of the most important problems linked to live chats. Number 3, most live chats don't have automatic bots or chatbots to interact with your visitors without human interaction. On the other hand, your visitors prefer to interact with humans rather than robots. So for this reason, you need to hire operators to communicate with your visitors from the installed live chat. As a matter of fact, you need to be available almost all the time, and this is not that good for a startup or a small business, unless you have actually an extra source of income to hire some operators. Number 4, some live chat providers charge you so much money for the services that you might not even need. So it's not cost effective or beneficial from a monetary point of view. Okay, there are many other reasons, but I thought that these 4 ones are the most significant. Use WhatsApp Business. And if you don't know, did you know that you could install and use WhatsApp Business instead of WhatsApp Messenger to interact with your visitors more effectively? WhatsApp Business is perfect for your small business because of the following reasons. Remember, it's free, by the way. Using WhatsApp Business instead of WhatsApp Messenger on your WordPress website to interact with your customers more easily and effectively. Number 1, WhatsApp Business includes all the features available in WhatsApp Messenger plus some other features. Number 2, it's a free application that can easily be installed and used on iPhone and Android devices. Number 3, you can showcase and show your services and products by creating a business profile that includes your business catalogs and your contact information. So it's a perfect live chat without just decreasing your WordPress speed and worsening your website performance. Number 4, you can easily organize and arrange all your chats and messages through labels on WhatsApp Business. So if you receive a lot of orders and chats from your visitors and customers, actually with the help of labels, you can organize all of them very neatly. Number 5, you can professionally respond to your visitors or customers' questions, requests, or orders with great messaging tools on WhatsApp Business. For example, automatic responses, interactive messages, chatbots, multilingual support, and the like. So these are not available in ordinary WhatsApp, usual common WhatsApp. So, and the last point is, like WhatsApp Messenger, with WhatsApp Business, your visitors and customers can leave voice messages to you instead of texting you, which is a lot easier. Note that most live chat providers do not support voice or audio commenting, and if they do, they will charge you for that. So, but as you can see, you might be familiar with on WhatsApp, your customers and visitors can leave audio messages, and believe it or not, we receive a lot of audio and voice messages from our even actually new visitors and customers, and they have not become our customers yet. And also, at our convenience, we can respond to them in audio comments and audio messages instead of texting, which is somehow not very convenient. And also, you don't need to be worried about missing one single message or request, because whenever you just open up your WhatsApp application, you will have all the let's say people who have contacted you, and you can freely and in a relaxed way just to respond to all of them very easily with either voice or text. And yeah, we come to the end of this presentation or tutorial by me, Dr. Hariri, the creator and founder of LELB Society. And as I said, to have more information about that and actually to access the text version or script or transcript of this lecture, you just need to go to the description area and click on the link. Thank you so much for your attention. Take care and bye-bye, everybody.